So we took a journey to the Obudu ranch, just living. We're on bike going to the park. And then this is from Utanga to
We don't go reach you. I don't feel waka this bike thing. My eyes on the turn one side, one side. It's a nice view, man. It's a matter of
As usual, me, I have to take pictures and feel myself. Feel good, you understand?
Are you serious? Wow, fine like this. I beg, I dey admire myself. We go try go that thing now. Wetin again? Cool breeze this side, it go blow me sun the other side. So I be like warm tea now. I be like warm water, hot and cold. 3 in 1 flask. That's what I feel like right now. My fingers are cold, my body is hot, my legs are hotter. Ashura don't leave me, but Ashura can never ever know me again. No, we know they work out.
Walkway, which was constructed March 2006 by Green Heart Conservation from Canada through the effort of our former governor Donald Duke. Enjoy your tour.
Thank you, sir.
We are going down the canopy walkway. I'm going to be like, say, they go jogging, treadmill running. I'm going to be, man, what drill be this? Man, what drill I no gree do for camp. When I know where low. You sure say I won't do this walkway? I am una.
So this is me on the canopy walkway. Forget that look you see on my face. I was fucking scared as hell. The thing was just anyhow.
Guys, you won't believe it. Hey, Chineke. These people carry me, pay money, make her get hypertension. I don't almost die, but they're alive. Anyway, the view is worth it. The view is actually worth it. The view is worth it. This is the view from up above. So it's a mangrove forest. I want to take on down. You want to do the rest of what do we can move your neck.
Who will carry you? Me, I went.
Thank you. Thank you. You're beautiful, baby.
So as the tour progressed, we went to the African huts. We saw the African huts, well constructed huts in Uibu style. Then we went to the ICC Center, the International Conference Center. And then I take all these pictures. Then we started going home. And you can see these mountains. They are really, really visible. In fact, if you want to have the best experience, you should go on bike. That's the truth. Or you go on a convertible vehicle that has open roof for the best experience. Then these roads are just like a snake trap, but they are not so snaky though.
We are very COVID-19 conscious. See our hand sanitizer. We need a joke.
Thank you, Bashira. Thank you, Jamila. Thank you, God, for a successful trip. And then we took a very